Find the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. So total surface area of hemisphere radius is equal to 10 centimeter. So total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. So 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. So 100, that point will be removed. So 3 into 314. So 3 into 314.
942.
Now, fourth one. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air being pumped into it. The radius of the surface area of the balloon in two cases. The ratio of surface area you are asked to find out. So, radius is equal to 7, R1 and R2 is equal to 14. So, total surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So first one R1 you will put 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 1 7 you can cancel. 88 into 7.
616. 616.
Centimeter square. Now here, total surface area of sphere with radius R2, that is 4 pi R2 square is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So 2 you can, so 88 into 28. 88 into 28. What will come? See ratio
2464.
2464 centimeter square. Now you are asked to find out the ratio of these two. So we will not take that 616 and 6. So ratio of the two spheres. So 616 by 2464. That is, I think it is 616 multiplied by 4. No. 616 multiplied by 4.
Yes.
No. So ratio is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4.
One is to 2.
Where? A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of 16 per 100 centimeter square. So diameter is given. And you have to find the cost of tin plating inside. That is called the surface area hemisphere. You have to find out. 10.5. So radius you can take 10.5 divided by 2. So total surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to
हाथ ऊपर माफी है
square.
हाथ ऊपर माफी हो
So 2 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2.
कहीं नहीं
Again 10.5 by 2. You can take. So it will be 1.5. 2 you can cancel here. So 11 into 1.5 multiplied by 10.5. Find out the answer. Right?
17325 आता
325.
17325 ही आता
हाँ.
325 आता है
325 है.
yes 325
Centimeter square. Now cost you have to find out. Cost of painting. That is equal to
48 मेगापिक्सल
173.25 multiplied by how much it is? 16400, no? 16400. 16 by 100. So multiply by 16. No? If it is multiplication, then only point will give. इसका मेरा आंसर बोलो.
फोटो आंसर ला दे पीछे से देखो आंसर 2772
Point where? That will be 25 16 it will come, no? Okay. 2 points are there, then divided by 100, so it will be 27.72. Okay. 27.72. That much rupees. Sixth one. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So, total surface area of sphere it is given. That is equal to 4 pi r square equal to 154. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. So r square is equal to 154 multiplied by 7 divided by 4 into 22. You can cancel here. This one 2 and 14, no?
यस
Then again you can cancel here 7. So r square is equal to 7 into 7 by 2 into 2. Okay. So what will be r 7 by 2? No. 4 you can split 2 into 2. So r is equal to 7 by 2, that is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Lisa, question. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of the surface area.
मैं सिक्स सॉल्यूशन में पहुंच गया ये 7 वन नहीं आ ये 7 वन
मैम आप चालू करो
See, diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 the diameter of Earth. So
couple
diameter
lagi jo ha
of
video.
moon, that is equal to 1/4 the diameter of Earth. So let diameter of Earth we are taking E1. Okay. So what will be diameter of moon? E1 by 4. Okay. Then what will be radius? Radius also will be 1/4. Now radius of Earth is equal to R. Then radius of moon will be equal to R by 4. No, R by
4.
Now ratio it is asked. So total surface area of moon by total surface area of Earth, that is both of them are spheres. So 4 pi R by 4 whole square, then 4 pi R square. Okay? Now 4 pi you can cancel that. So R square by 4 is 16. R square. So R square you can cancel. What will be the ratio? 1 by 16. If it is moon by Earth by moon is 16 by 1 हो जाएगा. So the ratio where we are how we are taking, okay, by moon by Earth or by Earth by moon. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So inner radius it is given. Inner radius we can take small r, that is equal to 5 centimeter. Then thickness it is given. So outer radius will be 5 plus 0.25, that is 5.25 centimeter it will come. Now third surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 pi r square by 7, 3.14, it is given 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25, again 5.25.
ये कैसा है? पॉसिबल है.
8. Keep quiet. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Find the surface area of the sphere, then curved surface area of cylinder, then ratio of the areas obtained in 1 and 2. So first one, so radius of sphere equal to radius of cylinder. So both of them are equal to r. What will be height of the cylinder? Height of cylinder will be 2 times r. Look at that figure. Now height will be the diameter of the sphere. Height is diameter of the sphere. If radius is r, diameter will be 2 times r. So height of the cylinder cylinder is 2 times r. Now first one is total surface area of sphere. So it will be 4 pi r square, and second one is outer surface area. What is given? Outer surface area cylinder, na? Cylinder. So that is equal to 2 pi rh. So here it will come 2 into pi into r itself. H is equal to 2r. So 2 into 2, 4 pi r square it will come. Okay. H is 2 times r. Now the third question is you have to take the ratio, that is 4 pi r square by again here 4 pi r square. So what is the ratio? 1 is to 1.